This is question 26 from the Methods paper, June 2012, and we're asked to complete a table for a quadratic, and then once we've done that, we're going to plot the graph. So we need to substitute values of -1, 1 and 2 into the equation at the top. It's a calculator paper, so in order to work out y, you need to put in place of the x a bracket with the number you're substituting in. So this is what you should be typing into your calculator, and what you'll get is that is 1 because you're squaring -1, timesing it by itself. That will be +3 because you're doing a negative times a negative. So you've got 1 plus 3 plus 1. So that's going to end up being 5. For the next bit, we've got when x equals 1, and if x equals 1, then we need to substitute in 1 and do 3 times 1 plus 1. So we get 1 minus 3, which is -2, plus 1. That gives us -1 there. For the final one, we're going to be substituting in 2. So we do 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 1. So that's 4 minus 6 plus 1. So that's also going to be -1. And you can see there's a bit of symmetry, and there normally tends to be with a quadratic, always tends to be for a quadratic. So you can always look out for a bit of symmetry there. And now we're going to plot the graph. So we've got -1, 5. X is -1, y is 5. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is -1. When x is 2, y is also -1. And then we've got 3 is 1. And 4, 5. Those then need to be joined up with a smooth curve. They'll go below those 2 points there, and you'll be able to do a better job with a pencil. And that's our curve completed. Just make sure that when you're substituting into your calculator that you put the numbers in brackets. If you didn't put the brackets in here, it would square 1 and then make it negative, and we want it to square -1. So that's quite an important step.